stomach through. Round, round, round the system too. With Alka-Seltzer they always say, relief is just a swallow away.
Bless that relief-giving Alka-Seltzer.
Hundreds of billions of dollars of investments into the United States and jobs, jobs, jobs.
I will travel to Jerusalem and Bethlehem, and then to the Vatican, visiting many of the holiest places in the three Abrahamic faiths. If these three faiths can join together in cooperation, then peace in this world is possible.
New okays, okay?
Like the Space Bears say, very okay.
Well, first, how nutritious are Kellogg's New Okays? Well, they're made from oats. And of all grains, oats are the richest in proteins and rich in other bodybuilding essentials, too. In fact, some people consider it their duty to eat oats. Yogi. But now, with a really delicious oat cereal like Kellogg's Okays around, people can have their oats and enjoy them, too. Especially Kellogg's.
Donald J. Trump is calling for a total and complete shutdown of Muslims entering the United States. Hundreds of billions of dollars of investments into the United States and jobs, jobs, jobs.
With God's help, this summit will mark the beginning of the end. It has to be done, and we have to let them do it.
A box of matches and a pack of old gold cigarettes. That's all you need, my friend. And you're enjoying the smoothest, mildest, tastiest cigarette ever created. A treat instead of a treatment. That's old gold cigarettes. Made by tobacco men, not medicine men. To give you the cigarette that treats you better in every way. Because in every way, it's a better cigarette.